She used to smile way back then. She still like she used to smile way back when there's why. But something kept them waiting for this magic moment. Whoa, maybe this time it will be love and then fight. Baby, now they can be more than just friends.